destination is on your right. 12 Victor Parkway. Arrived.
We have the home. I done drove in the wrong motherfucking driveway. Look, I'm coming to buy your shit next too. Look, we got a potential buyer or buyer's agent here, right here. And then we're back at the property. We're gonna flip. We got some tenants in the property today. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and represent this contract. Now we know that our seller has $327,000 balance on the property, and by closing it'll be about $330. So we're gonna need to do that when I cash this check for you. We're gonna need to shake hands when I cash this check here for you.
Cash the check?
Yes, sir.
You ain't supposed to cash the check. You're supposed to put it in escrow.
We're gonna need to shake hands when I put this money in your hands.
Okay.
Yeah, when I get this headache off your head. Yeah, definitely, for sure. We're gonna need to shake hands at that point then.
All right.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing handled. Excuse me, one moment. No, not at all. Everybody's here. Everybody's here.
So we're looking at the outside first?
Oh, one moment, please. Let me get my mask on. Let me be like you.
You brought the title to that car with you, right?
As long as I'm gonna get it in escrow. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna see what's going on. All right, how you doing?
Man, how you doing today, man?
All right.
Getting little details and stuff from my agent.
Notice he is talking about details for his agent. Number one red flag.
Right, so,
you're supposed to be the
show
buyer,
you
buddy. Where is your money?
It's going to be of most concern up front for you. It's going to be on this back roof right here. Now, it's going to need a whole new roof, of course, but cosmetically, to put it back together and be able to put a tenant in here, it can be patched. Oh, Walt's up there working on it today. All right, so if you step back here, you won't see the tarp on there anymore, but it's right in that area, right where he's going up the ladder.
I can show you exactly where it's leaking if you want to take
Yeah, I'll go up there. Walt. Let's do it.
Yeah, if you could just point it off for me, you just show me like, if you can take a picture there.
Reality Business TV, we go up.
Put a rubber roof on this lower part here. You stay right there and I'll show you where it's leaking. What had happened is the gutter was full of leaves.
Okay.
But after that, the water, when the gutter filled up, water was crawling up under there.
Oh, yeah, easy.
And it was leaking right here. Remember you saw it in there? But all of that is fine. That don't need to be replaced.
Okay, well.
I mean, it just was replaced. You feel me? 4 or 5 years ago, all the plywood, everything's been replaced.
Yeah,
Or is this the beginning, the entrance part
Yeah.
of the roof here in the beginning is the little...
On the slope.
Are you able to do that?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, come on.
All right, so we got our potential buyer going up on the ladder now. Check out the damage. All right, y'all, so this is Greg Harris, Reality Business TV. As you all heard, hey, got to get into him and let him know what's going on here. We are here trying to make a flip and get this thing sold. So we're going to play hardball. He want to play hardball. He want to shake hands. So hey, guess what? I'm about to drop the price, buddy. So yeah, man, look, man, we want to do some further comps, and I can't pay what you think I can pay. Go ahead and drop it down. Sorry about that. This is the part where you get some more profit.
At this point, the bird dog is what we're going to call him, slipped up and said, how much do you owe on the mortgage? You don't ask that question.
See,
I told you what the price of the property was, buddy. Look around, see if you like it, tell me what the offer you want to make.
Let me know.
Then we'll go from there.
Wherever
You
wanna
don't
start from.
cross the lines like that with the seller and the agent who brought you on to this property to invest and buy it. Think about it.
Watch these. You gotta watch these guys. You ask questions you're supposed to be asking as a buyer. All right, Reality Business TV. So this is real live in person how you do not let somebody try to steal your deal. Okay, so this guy thinks that we're new to this. We true to this. We in this spot. They came in the camera. So you guys got to understand. You guys got to understand what's going on here. So we're going to make sure that this guy gives us a solid offer. And we'll go from there. We'll get back to you.
Considering this for an investment, we want to deal with the Lighthouse Shelter. They keep me in tenants. I stay full.
Okay. Lighthouse Shelter will provide tenants for this property. That's wonderful. You said he ain't give you no notice, but you ain't even mad at the end of the day. Mm-hmm.
At this point, you can tell he was nervous and acted right because he could tell I knew what he was up
Yeah, I didn't
to.
understand
Do
what
not
you
think
were
you can
saying
come
when
and
you
steal
asked me
my
about
deal,
mortgage
buddy.
and stuff
Bring your
like-
money.
No, I was
What
just
the
trying
hell
to
you
see
do?
if it was anything old still on it. There's just certain questions my agents asked me to make sure I asked before I.
What type of agent?
The guy who I sent the contract to you from, GC Acquisition. That's who I'm pretty much like.
Oh, okay.
I'll be
So
underneath
like you
him.
bird dogging for him?
Say it again.
Like a bird dog almost?
No,
or
no,
something?
no.
Okay.
I ain't no bird dog. No,
Okay.
no.
All right, no problem.
Just he in Atlanta. And
So how long would it take for you to put together an offer?
I mean, you like I said, we can do it in less than 30 days, and you said you
No,
didn't have much time.
how long would it take for you to let me know what you all offer on the property? Like,
I mean, we can have an offer on the table probably by today or by tomorrow.
Okay. All
I
right,
got the agreement already in the car, but I ain't just want to force it.
you want to put one together? You want to go ahead and put one together for me so I can go ahead and present? Yes, sir.
I went to an attorney's office this morning and had an agreement done up.
Okay. Is that what I saw on the table?
It is.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yeah,
I'll check that out in a second. But I got to get one from him for his money. Yes, sir.
Right.
1.5.
Okay.
You guys can do
All right, no problem at all. Did you want to go ahead and make that up while we're here on site? I got a pen in the car.
Thankfully, the seller recognized my position and power in the transaction and made himself excused from the conversation.
Like I said,
No, I was just saying, I need to get a pie.
yeah, I'm definitely interested in it. I'm just, reverting back to the note.
Oh, I'm right here with you. Stay
your
right
time.
there. Thank you for calling. How may I help you? Oh, yes. Yes, sir. We ended up, we found the package and everything, and so she's getting her service at 8 a.m. in the morning. Yes, sir. Do you mind sending me a text message for the complete address for confirmation? All right, perfect. Thank you so much for your business. All right, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad, sir.
No, that's all good. Because respectfully, I know you said you secured around 340. You said you was trying to go no lower than 375. I did some price comps and just got some information. And after actually, viewing the house, seeing how much space it is, I do believe there's definitely could be a lot of potential to just do so much with it. It's just a lot of space to do shit with. So,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, once you turn this house to one of the DC houses, you set the comps in this neighborhood.
Right.
You're the new house in town.
right, and that's the thing. And that's the other thing we're having to bring it up to 2020 standards, having to fix a few things in the home.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I was going to give you my best offer. My people's told me to make sure, I just check the whole house because there's been times I haven't. And I just feel like 375 a little high. If we do like 355, go ahead and with me.
Yeah, I can't do 355.
360.
I mean, it's cash for 4,500 though, bro. Like, this place is already registered to be able to get tenants. No problem.
Right, and that too. And see,
Yeah.
I didn't know that till just now. So that is
Yeah. I mean, I could easily market it as an assisted living spot, and you know what I mean? Then I'm charging at what it makes per year, then I'm charging it like a commercial space almost in a sense. Because all I gotta do is add the extra
364.
365,000. Man, if you do your comp, look at what I'm basing this off of. Look at
Cause I ain't
Leonard,
when I did
look
the
at,
comp, I
did you
seen
look
a-
at
I
Leonard
seen a
Street?
home that was like 313,000. I seen a joint.
No, they
Like,
haven't
this
been
house-
renovated
this
though.
house even, yeah, this house even popped up on it when I was
Yeah,
on them. You
but
feel
those haven't been renovated.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, but even on Leonard Street, it's 385. You go see it's 385. Ain't been nothing done to it, right? And that's only 1,260 square feet. This 2,200. So that ain't even really a comp. Yeah, and that's 4 blocks over.
almost 800 feet more.
Yeah.
Give me a day.
Shit, I mean,
I just want to run the info over with my folks.
yeah, I mean, okay, that's no
make sure I'm
problem.
making a solid decision.
Okay, and then what you want? Email me the offer?
I mean, like I said, I got the shit email and I got it in the car. So either
Okay.
way, I got it. Like all my shit lock and key, bro. I just want to
Okay.
make sure I'm making a solid and best decision with my investors. as
Yeah,
well,
I mean,
feel
I
me?
was trying to definitely stay at lowest offer was to take the 375. You know what I mean? So that's another 10. So that's
Like I'm gonna be honest, I don't really want to go past 360.
okay. I got you. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. 10, 15. Okay. All right. I can do 365. 365.
365.
Yeah. Can you write that up for me?
I'm not saying that I can't, bro. So, like I said, I already got like the shit printed out. So that's what I'm saying. Can you give me a data where I can just put it all in fine print how it should
Okay.
be?
Yeah. You can have it.
Cause I mean, just so you know, like cause I just went and got it printed out. This is the standard purchase and sale agreement. This is the last thing I was doing before I came here. So I
Okay.
got it in the car. So just
Okay.
just give me a few hours for real. I ain't
All right.
even know one
Ain't
day,
no
nigga.
problem.
I just need
That's no
a
problem.
little bit of time just to figure it all out.
Okay.
Man.
Okay. Do that, and we'll go ahead and rock out like that.
All right, thank you.
All right, no
I
problem,
appreciate it.
bro.
I'll give you a call later on.
I see you in a minute.
All right, thank you, bro.
All right. All right.
There. There's another space heater in the bathroom, which also has a washer and dryer and a shower.
Showing the potential buyer the value add options with the units that are currently in place. If the new buyer wants to keep them in place and just go ahead and build this on out for more apartments, then that's also available as well.
There's a light switch on the wall there.
All right, y'all. So we just left the seller's home. We had the buyer come. Seller presented me with a contract for $349,350 basically. We are signing this contract for $365 for $15,000. And that's cool, because in this area, in this neighborhood, when you really look at it, $50,000. Now you're gonna make $50,000 on the renovation, not $50,000 on this wholesale, unless some idiot come over here and buy this shit. Excuse me, stuff. Excuse me so much, YouTube. So yeah, you know, this is real business though, you know, real business. Y'all just saying I put together I just showed y'all how I coordinated a whole transaction. Right now I just got to show you the closing, but basically all these steps up to it, as long as the buyer that came out here to check out the property, as long as he buys and he can come up with that bread for real and bring this thing to the closing table, you know what I mean, and flip it to his investors for $385 and make him 10. You know what I mean? Or if I gotta tell him, look, man, go on, give me 360. I'll take 10, you take 5. You know what I mean? That's cool. I'm making, you know what I mean? We making money. This is about making thousands. All right, so Reality Business TV, y'all like, subscribe, share this video. And only things that we're on the way to the bank right now to go get a cashier check for $15,000. We're gonna go to the bank, all right? You know what I mean? All right, we're gonna go to the bank, all right, just to show y'all this shit. Just to show y'all this stuff is real. Just to show y'all this stuff is real. You know what I mean? If I hadn't told him such a high deposit down, he been in the house 20 years. He been in the house 20 years. He think he gonna get his deposit from me. He think he gonna get it. He think he gonna get his profit. He think he gonna get his profit from me. Real estate money, how you wanna make it, man? Just make it, man. 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 Just make it. Like, subscribe, and share this video. See money.